Wait. Are you actually aware that all these news articles you normally read on browsers like Funny about your popular or favorite celebrities like Mercy Johnson just bought a new car, Iniedo just got wedded, this person, that person did this or that. Are you actually aware that people are the ones writing those news articles and getting paid a whole lot of money? Guess what? I made over $1,000 by just writing news articles like that about your favorite celebrities. And the good news about this is that I wasn't even the one writing these articles by myself or composing them by myself. And the good news about today's video is that I'm not only going to show you the name of the platform, I'm also going to be showing you how you can apply in this particular platform. And I'm also going to be showing you another similar platform like that where you can also register. It's actually an app though, so it's very easy to create your account. So welcome back again to my channel, beautiful people. It's Emilia Davids here, and in today's video, like I already told you, I'm going to be showing you a particular platform where I made over $1,000 writing articles of 300 words. And one thing I love so much about this platform is that I wasn't even bothering myself writing these articles by myself. These are articles I copy from other news platforms. So when I copy from platforms like that, like if I see any trending news, all I need to do is to just copy the news, then give it to ChatGPT. ChatGPT is going to do a perfect job for me by just changing some words on that article. Then once it's done changing some words, I will go back to the platform, paste it there, and these people are going to accept it, and after that they will pay me. So now let's go into full detail about this platform before I share the app with you. It's actually an app, but if you want to work on their website, you can also work there. So before we go into full detail, if you are just spotting me for the first time, this is Emilia Davids, and on this particular channel I share my finance journey, and I also help you to grow your own finance as well. And I also share motivational videos here in case you are interested in that as well. You can just tap the subscribe button to stick by and get updates whenever I share one. So now let's quickly go fully into this particular app. So before I share the second similar app, let's quickly go fully into the first one. So the first one, though I'm no longer writing for them because I have a lot more other platforms that pay me far much more than that I am working currently. But if you are someone who enjoy writing news, like writing articles, this platform may be the best you have been looking for. So this particular platform, I started writing for them in the year 2019, and I stopped writing for them 2024. Before I stopped working with them, I made $1,000 writing for them under just 1 month. So, like I already said, I stopped writing for them last year, 2024, and this particular platform really helped me with a lot of small bills, because every month at least I can be sure of something coming from that particular platform. So this platform pays you to write news articles of 300 words, of which when you register and they accept you into the platform, these people are going to ask you to choose a particular niche which you can feature in, like a particular niche you are very good in. We have so many niches. We have celebrity niches, we have political news, so many niches like that. But for me, I specialized on celebrity news. So I had two accounts back then, and one of my accounts I was into food articles, but my other account I specialized on celebrity niche, of which I really made a lot from the platform. Like it really helped me a lot. So now, once you choose your niche on this platform, all you need to do is you go to other news platforms that write similar news like that. We have Opera Mini for some of you who already know Opera Mini. So all you need to do is to go to platforms like Opera Mini, look for news in your niche. For example, you are into celebrity gist, look for trending articles, then copy them. You go to ChatGPT, give ChatGPT instruction to help you paraphrase some words in that article, and it's going to help you do that. And once you are done, you go back to this platform I want to mention to you, paste it there, edit one or two things, put your headline, and after that you submit it. Once the news is published, these people are going to pay you. So now let's talk about their payment. Their payment is actually in dollars, but when they want to pay you, they convert that dollar to Naira and pay you directly into your bank account in Naira. So they pay directly into your bank account through Flutterwave or something like that. So this platform is really good, but like I said, it's been a while I stopped writing for them. So currently I don't know much about the platform, but I'm going to show you how to create your own account so that you can register. And if you are lucky, you are accepted on this platform, you can start writing and getting paid. You don't need to have any special experience before you write on this platform, because I already told you the tips which I was using to write a lot of articles in one day, and I get paid. Then there's another important thing you really need to know about the platform. They usually pay between 10th to 15th of another month. For example, we are in November right now. So if they want to pay for November now, November payment is going to be between 10th to 15th of December. So that's exactly how their payment works. And one thing about them is that they always pay on time, as at the time I know them. I don't know of now. So just make sure you carry out your own research before consuming all that I am giving to you on this video, because it's been a while I wrote last for them. So I don't know if they've changed some of their terms and conditions, their policies, and all of that. So just ensure you carry out your own research before jumping into the app. So now let us also talk about the second platform before I also give you the names and how you can register on the two platforms. So the second one is also a news article writing platform where you can write articles of nothing less than 250 to 300 words. And once it's published, you are also paid. That platform, I made over 500,000 also working for them. And they also pay in Naira. Most of the time they use OPay. They use OPay to pay their writers. Then on the first platform, you can also create video content. Like if you are not interested in writing articles, you can also create short videos. Like they are also going to be training you on how you can create your video content and you can get paid. And before then, like I said, carry out your own research and know more about these platforms before you jump in. So the first particular platform is called PostNow, also called Scooper. So if you, I don't know if you've heard of Scooper, but Scooper is their news platform, whereas PostNow is where their writers work in. So we are not going to be making use of Scooper right now because we are not looking for how to read news. What we are looking for is how to make money from this platform. So we are going to be going to our Play Store to download the app, and I'm show you how to create your account. But before then, just watch this short video to see that I actually got paid from this platform. So now that you are done watching the video and you have seen that obviously I made up to $1,000 from this platform, let's jump into our Play Store, download the app and start registering.
Right now I'm in my Play Store, so the first thing I'm going to do right now is just to type PostNow. So this is the spelling here. You can see this is the spelling. This is it here. So go ahead and search for it. So if you look here, you see that the app is currently installed in. So for yours, it might write install. So just go ahead, tap on the install button and install it. Since I've already installed the app, let's go ahead and open it. So right now, depending on the country you are in, if you are in Nigeria, it's going to automatically select the country you are in. So just go ahead and enter your phone number if you are interested in registering with your phone number. But for this section, this is majorly for people who already have an account. So it's asking me to sign in because I already have an account. But for people who just want to register an account, the first thing you are going to do is just to go ahead and tap on register. Go ahead and tap on this register button here. This is register button. Go ahead, tap on it. Once it's done loading, it's going to bring you to this interface. You can see where it says post for Scooper, get your ideas published and paid. You can see it here, get your ideas published and paid. So that's just it. Go ahead, read further, and this is the application form which you need to register before you are accepted to work on this platform. So you can see where it says welcome to join Scooper's content creator project PostNow. Once your application is approved, you are able to publish news articles, blogs, and videos on Scooper covering various fields and topics. All content you post should be original work and no plagiarism is allowed. So that means that if you are using the tips I share, just make sure that you have a plagiarism checker so that once your ChatGPT is done paraphrasing for you, you can just check to be sure that it's not plagiarized. So it's just as simple as that. It's just a very simple method. So you can see where it says further, we will pay each published article or blog which generates valid clicks on Scooper. Payment for original videos will be discussed with the creator before getting published, but they already have an established payment scheme. So once you are accepted, you are going to be seeing everything. So you can also see where it says, note, this is the only official channel of application which is totally free of charge. Contact and charges from anyone else is not confirmed by us. So take note, if you are registering, make sure you are using this form to register. So this is the creator application form. So over here is where you are going to enter your first name. Then if you are in Nigeria, just leave the country in Nigeria. Then go ahead, for this particular one, yours might be different, so just go ahead and enter the code. So for mine, that's 57234. So that's the code, and if you didn't see it clearly, you can click on the refresh button to get another code. So over here is where you are going to enter your own country's phone number. So just go ahead, enter your own country's phone number, which they are going to send an SMS to. So once you get the SMS, enter the SMS here. Then over here is where you're going to enter your email address. So go ahead, enter the email address right now. And this is career job. You can just put anything. You can put writing or writer. You can put content creator or whichever one you want. So now that here, which is also very, very important, is where you are going to be entering your application type. So if you are going for article writing, you are going to select this. Do you get it? But if you want to be creating video content, then you will tap it. That's for video creators. But let's just assume now that everyone watching this video is going for article writing. So just tap on article writer. So go down below, you'll see where they said writing or video experience. Just enter one or two things about your experience. If you don't know what to write there, you can ask ChatGPT to guide you on what to write, but it's just very simple. You can tell them that you already have an experience in writing, you've written before, just something like that. Tell them. So now let's also, you can see where it also says, please describe your writing or video production experience to us, which is something I know quite all right that you can do it. So now, this is the last part of the registration, which is writing or video sample. So for this for this writing sample, you can just go to a news platform, that copy any news you see there, edit one or two things, then make it in a PDF format and upload it here. But if you need extra guidance on this particular part, you can join my Telegram group where I'm going to be dropping a sample of what you can drop here. But like I said, it's very simple. Just go to any news platform, or if you can write it by yourself, write it by yourself. If you can ask ChatGPT to help you generate it, do that, then turn it to a PDF format and then upload it over here. Once you are done with all of that, go ahead and tap on submit button and submit it, and within a short period of time, they're gonna call you back to resume work with them. So that's exactly how it works. So for the second part, for the second platform I also mentioned, that's Opera News. So if you want to access the platform, just go to your browser and type Opera News. Let me type it here. Just go to your browser, type opera.news.hub. I think so, opera.news.hub. Then go ahead, register. It's very, very easy to register there. But if you need more guidance, just come over to my Telegram group, and I'm going to help everyone that will be interested on this article writing. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye. And don't forget to click on the subscribe button if you found value in this video. Thank you so much.